Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a thumbnail using Canva. All the links is in the description. Check out. First, sign up with the Canva. I'm going to sign up with my account. Let's get login in and create a design. Click on it. Click custom dimensions and give 1920 and 1080 pixels. Create a new design, and we have in this a lots of templates and a big workspace in it, so everything it is in a free. So select your any favorite templates which is given in this, or you can search your templates. For example, I'll choose a simple and a moderate template just for demo. Yeah, this is the internet of things. You can rename it. Suppose I'll rename it as hi guys, and we can also move this. I'll show you later. Yeah, like that. The internet of things, we can erase it and we can write as subscribe and like. I'll write like that. Subscribe and like. Subscribe and like. Yes. Yes, I have created a simple thumbnail like this, but you can create this as a professional if you want. Ask in this video comment, I'll reply for it. If you have any doubts, comment it. And this is a demo thumbnail. You can move as whatever you want. It is just a demo, so I have clicked like this and click for downloading. Click download at the right top and click PNG for the high quality image and download it. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.